How to fix lines on phone screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix the lines on your phone screen. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to fix the lines on your phone screen, it's actually quite very simple. Now, sometimes you could have some type of lines enabled. Now, there are two types of damages. One is a hardware damage, the other is a software damage. So if your line appeared out of a hardware damage, which means maybe it dropped somewhere, in that case, it's not fixable by this method, and then you'd have to replace your whole LCD panel in order to help solve that problem. But if it came after a software update or a restart or maybe doing something, then in that case it could possibly be fixable. For that, you have to download this application on the Play Store known as Dead Pixels Test and Fix. Once you open up this application, just give it the required permission it requires over here. Then come back, then here you'll find an option called Fix Dead Pixel. Tap on it, then tap on start, and it is going to run a couple of checks on your phone's display like this. Now, this might not work all the time, and this is not an overnight process. You have to do this every day for at least a couple of hours. So whenever you're going to bed, just make sure to charge your phone to 100% and do this process. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours to 4 hours like this, and do it every day until a couple of weeks. Then hopefully those dead panels are going to get restored. As I said, it is not an overnight process. Sometimes it may not work, and sometimes it could definitely work. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.